In this animation, you will learn about projectile motion. Its velocity splits into horizontal and vertical components. At the apex, the vertical velocity becomes 0, and we derive the formula for maximum height. H equals v squared sine squared theta over 2g. The projectile then descends, mirroring its ascent under gravity's pull. The formula for the range, r, is v squared sine of 2 theta over g, which gives the total horizontal distance traveled. This completes our analysis of projectile motion, from launch to peak to landing.